Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Guaranty RV, and my name is Emily McKinnon. This is a Winnebago Winnie Winnie, and we are on a Ford 350 chassis. Has 355 horsepower, or excuse me, 355 pounds per foot torque and 255 horsepower. The engine is a Triton V8. So let's go on inside and take a look at the floor plan. So again, in the 25B floor plan of the Minnie Winnie, up front it's pretty simple to use. It's exactly like using any other Ford truck. They have the extended mirrors so that you can see all the way down the side of your vehicle as you're moving down the road. This is a great unit if somebody is looking for something with no slide outs. Very, very easy to maintain in that sense. You've got a great booth dinette with seat belts for your guests. This does fold down into a bed. Plus you've got your overhead cabinets up here, and this is a pass-through storage so you can store longer or larger items. It does come with a DVD player. Your television is on a swing arm, and it is above the bunk bed that it's on the overhead cab. And this makes into a really nice bed area for kids or your guests. And there's a little window there and a ventilation roof vent right there. LED lights throughout. This also folds down into a bed, so you can sleep quite a few people in a small amount of space here for a great camping trip. It's just a fold down sofa. Again, nice amount of storage overhead. Outlets. You have an outlet right over there as well in the kitchen. Nice little backsplash. Your hood vent here for your stove. You have a 3-burner propane gas stove, as well as a propane oven and a microwave. You've also got a good amount of storage, again, in a fairly small area. So you can take anything that you need. These are really nice deep cupboards. What I really like about Winnebago is that they each have, you'll find these little stickers. That's kind of like what I like to call the thumbprint on these cabinets and doors and everything. Because if you call into Winnebago and you say the make and model and the year of your vehicle and give them that sticker number, they can have a part shipped to the nearest dealership, and that's really convenient. Nice double stainless steel sink. Nice amount of storage under there as well. That goes pretty far deep. A couple of little drawers here for your silverware. Nice amount of wardrobe space. Again, it's nice and deep. It's really tall, so you can fit all your clothing in there if you need to stack them in boxes. Get creative with your storage. There's a hanging rod here for anything you need to hang. Again, more storage drawers. This one's really nice and deep. This is a corner bed. Then you've got more storage here. And then you've got a 2-way RV refrigerator by Norcold. Fridge and freezer. And then into the bathroom. This is a nice full 3-piece bathroom with a nice glass shower door and a really good sized shower. Nice little dome light, plus your vent, your toilet and mirror with outlet, and your sink there, again with some storage and a little bit of counter space there as well. You've got a nice little shelf there, plus your overhead storage. Again, that's nice and deep, and it's nice and long, so you can fit larger items in there as well. So again, really great coach on the inside. You've got kind of a little bit of everything. Let's go ahead on the outside, and I'll show you some more storage. One thing I really do like about Winnebago is the amount of storage that they think of when they think of families with camping trips. This is really nice and deep. I like how it has kind of a 2-tiered system here, so if you need to fit larger items, plus it's a double pass-through. So if you need to, again, kind of have something that's awkwardly fitting, you can have somebody help you with it, and you've got a second option for reaching in there. A nice full automatic awning. This is going to be your tank fill for your fresh water tank. This is going to be your outlets if you want to hook up some lights or a little radio, and then your cable outlet as well. Let's go around this side. The bumper, you can use that as your sewer hose storage. Nice big tail lights. You do have a backup camera right there, and then you've got the nice Minnie Winnie logo and Winnebago logo on the bottom. This is your Sandy tank flush. This is to wash out your black tank when you're all done with your trip. Fuel fill, another cable inlet, and the city fill. This is when you are hooked up to water at your camping site. Then you've got all your necessities, your 30 amp electric cord, your propane tank, and your generator is going to be right here. And this is a 4,000 Cummins Onan generator. All right, well, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Again, my name is Emily McKinnon. The number here at Guaranty is 541-998-1148. My extension is 2519. And until next time, enjoy the road.